Upgrade your code for the future. Migrate from C++ to Java with Macrosoft. Stuck with legacy C++ code? Wrestling with security flaws, compatibility issues, and mounting maintenance costs? Legacy C++ systems hold you back. They're rigid, insecure, and can't keep up with today's demands. But what if you could future-proof your code and unlock Java's power? Macrosoft C++ to Java migration service turns complexity into clarity. We automate 90% of the process, refactor legacy code into clean, scalable Java, and ensure zero downtime. From analysis to deployment, our experts handle it all. We preserve your business logic while supercharging performance, security, and scalability. Java is the future, cloud-ready and microservices-friendly, cross-platform without rewrites, 50% fewer vulnerabilities than legacy systems. Stay ahead with a modern tech stack. Join thousands who've ditched C++ bottlenecks. Let's migrate smarter, not harder. Don't let legacy code bury your potential. Act now. Visit migrate to .NET and let Macrosoft craft your Java future. Your competition already is.